Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so basically how to manage it. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down until we will find users and accounts. So basically you can simply swipe to the very bottom of the settings. Of course, here we've got the Google section and you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using users and accounts. So let me tap on it. Here we've got the option to add account, so just tap. Pick a Google, of course, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, but actually I do not have to because I've got it saved. But also I've got a quick disclaimer: you do not have to enter the full email address. You can simply enter the first part of it before the @ symbol, and then your device will automatically refill it. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, our account immediately appeared on this list, so it means that we just successfully added it to this device. And of course you can remove it whenever you want to, so just tap on it. And here let's tap on this 2 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on remove account. Of course your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on remove account again. If you are sure, tap on OK. And if you've got a pattern or a PIN, then your device will ask you to enter to confirm the whole step. And we just automatically got back to the users and accounts. We cannot see our HardReset.Info account, so it means that it has been immediately removed. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.